Okay, right now we come back again, and today I show you how to create the resource controller with the Laravel 5.5. And you can go to the laravel.com and you can take the documentation and click the controller. Yes, and you can scroll down and you can see the resource controller. Yes, Laravel resource routing assign the typically groups. You can, as you know already, group C refer to the create or refer to the read data from the database. U refer to the updates data in database. D refer to the delete keywords as to from the database route to a controller with a single line of code. For example, you may wish to create a controller that handles all HTTP requests for photo stored by your lesson using the make controller addition command. We can quickly create such as controller. For example, you can use like this. Right now I show you how to create a resource controller with a student controller. Okay, so you can go to the Laravel page. Yes, I show you already. Right now I want to create the resource controller again. So you can go to the student. Okay, HTTP. Yes. Okay, I create the resource controller, for example, student, yes, PHP artisan, or you can copy here and paste, and then we replace the resource resource controller. Okay, you can import it by yourself. Could not open import. Okay, here. Press enter, and then right now we created successfully the resource controller. Okay, you can create the student controller, but I create the resource controller because this is the same with the student controller. So you can okay, you can pass here and go to resource. Okay, right now I return. Yes, I return to the resource controller. You can go to you can go to the student in touch use student that I create the student controller the same before. You can copy here. Okay, okay, right now I go to the close route name, but I use the resource controller instead. For example, okay, you can go here. Right now I use the resource controller. You can go, for example, you can copy here. Okay, and then replace with the resource controller. And you can this is we import the student. Okay, you don't forget to use the plural. Yes, yeah, as Okay, I go to the and I press enter. Okay, that is the same. Yes, because we use the yes, for example, I press again. And when we use the resource controller, we reuse the code routes. Okay, I go to the form design. And I add, yes, before I forget, check box. And we use style display inline form. Okay, so right now I refresh page to yes. And one was I go to use the create. You can go to the resource controller. Okay, you can see the photos create. Yes, this is the verb get URL photo slash create without name. Okay, so you can go to the create, for example. Use return use student dots insert. Okay, yeah, you can copy student with degree ads. Yes, I copy here. Okay, and save in the results controller create. So you can go to the index, replace with the routes. Yes, you can use the routes student create. Okay, right now I go to the refresh page and I clear. Okay, this is the same. Right now I want to the create. Okay, you can when we use like this, when I store the data, you can copy here and go to the resource out, store it. Okay, right now we change routes student class. Okay, student with the status and the store we copy here and go to the insert page, for example, insert page and refresh. Okay, slash create. Okay, so right now I run again. Okay, so I want to insert the record as test file, then click. Okay, I submit. This means what happened? Browse student not defined. Okay, browse not defined. Okay, so I go to the check. Yes, refresh record. Yes, records. inserted successful, but the route redirect is not so. Yes, I check it again. Yes, I can check. Yes, what happened? Okay, so you can use the like this. For example, student, yes, course, yeah, you use student, yes, pass it. Okay, so right now I go to the refresh page and create this. Okay, yes, submit did successful. You can see the this. So I order by ID. I go to the okay, right now, yes. Arrive at this structure and though and I want to show, yes, you can show. For example, I to create show page. Yes, I copy here. Right now and go to the index. I add the show page. Yes, yes. IDs. Show. Cause I refresh page. And then you can click show and then we use student. Okay, resource. Okay, I forget as letter refresh. Yeah, student show details. You can click and show details. Right now, I go to the resource controller and I want to find the student. Or you can copy here. Yes, and we use where. ajax. Okay, first you can go to the store page. UIs, first name, full names, okay, I refresh here again. You can see the details. Yes, I go to the resource and refresh here. So I refresh again. Yeah, you can see the first name ID. Okay, okay, you can see first name and last name. Was sorry. Okay, I refresh again. Yes. Okay, as you can see the test, and I go to the show again. Yes. Yes. And then we want to use the method, for example. Yes, you can so get route name and edit, you can use the push.edit. So I go to the edit page, resource controller, yes, and then I copy the student that I created before, edit. Okay, so I go to the resource controller and then I copy here. Yeah, we change to the student there. Flash IDs. Okay, so right now I go to the edit. I go to the in touch and I refresh the code edit here. IDs. Okay, I refresh page. Yeah, you can check here. Yes, it's the same. Okay. So I change the females. Okay, so right now I want to the update. You can go to the student controller and the copy here. Go to the resource. Okay. Right to the list. Request IDs. We have all these. So you can test, and I go to the copy here and go to the page update. Edit. Yes, and we replace here. Browse. Edit. Browse update. Yes, you can import, for example, IDs. Update. Just symphonies. I check code again. Watch. I go to resource update. Push photo. Oh yes, you can use, yes, the action handled by resource controller. We use the post or patch photo. Yes, object in photos. Okay, update photo. Update photo, so you can see here. Okay, I go the copy here. We go to edit page and I put because the HTML form not support as with not support with the put or patch delete. Yes, if not support, you can the Laravel as a spoofing form method when we use. As you can see, HTML form can put patch or delete requests. Okay, I go to the page, I refresh again, and then I want to update. Yes. Okay. For example, I want to update to females. Yes, student certifies. So you can see the student certified updated successfully to male. Okay, I go and adapt. Yes, Petros. Okay, submit, and then the let Pedro update successfully. So if you want to show the message, you can copy here. For example, before I show you already, you can copy here. Okay, and go to the updates. You can put yes, we change updated successfully. Okay, right now I want to go to update again. Okay, yes, I did again. Submit, and then show the message update successfully. Yes, so I want to use the destroy. You can go to the destroy page. Okay, destroy you can use like this. Student destroy. Okay, like this. Turn base. Okay, right now you can go to the copies and in touch. So we change the here. Destroys. Yes. IDs. Yes, you can see the methods, the Laravel when we use the yes delete verb http support with the delete. So uh, you cannot delete if you don't input not yet. Yeah? So we can copy and pass here. So you can destroy. For example, I delete here. Okay. Call to undefined function rows. Okay. Okay. I rows. Okay. I refresh again. Right now I delete integrity constraint first name cannot be now or update student set. Or so I go to what happened when I destroy. Because I delete here. For example, I go to replay again. Just the control first name cannot update student. Yes, what happened? First name cannot be now. What's happened? Okay, I see results. around destroys. Okay, please maybe I'll check errors. What's errors? Yes, what's happened with the code? Because we cannot use like this, you can use the request case. Yes, if I check, I spend any time because we chase case. I go to the intake forms and I input here. Okay, jquery class. I want to show what's happened. Because I go to the package again. Missing required parameter for our student destroys. Oh yes, when I change this unknown. Once time happens, yes, you cannot use like this. What's happened? Force. Okay, yes, I check results already, so you can yes, because you can see the verb, yes, support with the verb delays, so you can copy here. Okay, you can copy the request delays and go to the replace with imports. Okay, yeah, we use like this with the verb deletes, so I delete here. Okay, okay, so right now thank you very much other people that watching my video how to use the resource controller, and the next time we meet you again to as a mini tutorial, yes, and the last time I also you to subscribe, like and share, and especially comment on my video. Yes, I wish you all the people watching like Petro channel good luck. Goodbye.